Hey guys, it's Janice and Happy New Year! Welcome to my first video of 2021. It's rather exciting because today I'm going to be talking about my simple 2021 planner setup using a weekly iPad planner that I actually made and I'm currently selling on my new online store. I am forever grateful to everyone who has already purchased it on my website and on Etsy. Thank you so much. This video is going to run you through what's in the planner as well as provide instructions for you if you've purchased it. I'll have timestamps in the description box if you want to skip to certain parts of the video. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you the planner itself. I'm using GoodNotes 5 as well as Paperlike, which you all know I love. The design itself is something that kind of took me some time to come up with. It's vertical layout with these modern geometric tabs for each month in what I now call my signature neutral/muted tones. It has monthly spreads for each month, weekly spreads for each week, as well as a month in review. The planner itself starts off with a 2021 calendar overview, which has hyperlinks to every month and week in 2021, so you simply just tap on it and it'll bring you to whatever you choose. The monthly layout itself is quite simple, with a monthly goals and notes section at the bottom. This page also has convenient hyperlinks to the specific weeks of the month, which you can access just by tapping on the week. The weekly spread itself is also quite basic, which is what I had in mind when I created this because I wanted something that simply just gave you a structured space to write down your to-dos and reminders without pressuring you to fill in a bunch of questions or blanks and whatnot that you see in other planners. So on the top right of this page, we have some minimalistic icons for navigation. The calendar icon is on every page and tapping it will bring you right back to this page. Then you have the pencil, which will bring you to the planner's notepad. And the arrows on the right are for moving back and forth between weekly and monthly pages. This navigation is essentially the same on every single page including the weeklies, with the exception of the monthly spread which has an extra plant icon that brings you to the month in review page. This page I designed specifically for reflecting on my accomplishments, lessons learned, challenges, etc. at the end of the month because I feel like it's such an important tool to have for nurturing self-awareness and promoting personal growth, which are two themes that I want to focus on this year. I want to be able to scroll through this planner, look through the month in reviews, and just stare in awe at all the things I've done and experienced in 2021. In terms of the notepad, there are 5 different hyperlinks/sections for you to categorize. So you could have a page for recipes, another for a vision board, or just a place to jot down other thoughts and ideas. The notepad and the note pages within it are all fully hyperlinked so you can easily jump in between sections or go back to other parts of the planner. You can also have endless paper in the notepad just by duplicating it in the thumbnail view. For those of you who like to use stickers, there is also a blank sticker page included for you to copy and paste your favorite stickers from other shops, creators, your own illustrations, so you can just simply paste what you like in here. I will go over how to install the stickers that come with the planner in the second half of the video. Now let's go over how to install it and set it up. So once you've purchased my planner, you should have a download link at the checkout or in your email. From your iPad, just download the zip file and it will be saved to your files. Open up your Files app and tap on the downloaded zip file. You'll notice a new folder will appear adjacent to the zip file which has all the contents of the product inside. You will have 2 PDF files which are the planners in their different versions, a transparent PNG sticker file, and a GoodNotes sticker file. To download the planner, choose the version you want and tap on it. On the top right, there will be an option to export or share the file. Simply tap on it and choose Open in GoodNotes, Notability, or NoteShelf, whichever note-taking app you choose. I personally like to use GoodNotes, so I'm going to pick that. Once you've got it in your note-taking app, you might be wondering, well, how do I set a color for the cover? It's no rocket science. You simply just delete the pages you don't want and you'll be left with the cover and the back of your choice. If you ever wanted to switch up the colors again, you could just copy and paste a cover from the original download. The next question you might have is, well, how do I get the hyperlinks to work? To do so, you will have to be in read mode or no pen mode. This will disable writing and let you tap on hyperlinks to jump around pages. To write on the planner, just disable this mode and now it's ready to be used. As for the stickers, if you're using GoodNotes, you will want to import the .goodnotes file, which contains stickers that are pre-cropped. So again, go back to the Files folder, tap on the GoodNotes file, and choose to open in GoodNotes. You will then have the sticker file in your app and it's ready to be used. To use it, you just use a lasso tool, select the sticker that you want, and then copy and paste it into the planner. If you're not using GoodNotes and you're using Notability or NoteShelf, you'll have to use the transparent PNG sticker file that comes in the download as well. When you have the planner file open in either app, import the transparent PNG image onto the planner and then crop the image. So I hope this video answers some questions to those of you who have purchased my planner, and I hope the rest of you also enjoyed the tour of my planner. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you guys next time.